Time for a little late night tire repair. Join me, won't you? All right, here it is, 9 o'clock at night. Doesn't matter what night, because let's face it, every day somebody has somewhere to go. So, found a nail in the tire, brand new tires. It's real close to the sidewall, can't be patched, needs to be plugged. Here we go. There's the culprit right there. It looks like you could almost get the tools to it, but from this angle, not gonna happen. So, we're gonna need tire plug kit, jack. But first, we gotta break the lug nuts loose so that once it's in the air, pull the tire the rest of the way off. Spray it, check it for bubbles. No bubbles. It's good. It's trimmed up. It's filled up. It's got 40 pounds of air in it. They call for 44.